Have you ever felt lost in a conversation with Polish friends? Even after all your language lessons? You know the basic words, but the real talk, the easy banter, seems to fly right over your head. You hear a phrase, a laugh, and you just don't get it. That feeling of being on the outside of an inside joke is frustrating, right? The truth is, textbooks won't teach you what people actually say on the streets of Warsaw or in a cafe in Katowice. They don't teach you the quick, cool phrases that make you sound like you belong. Today we're changing that. We're going to unlock the most essential Polish slang so you can stop just speaking Polish and start living it. This video will give you the linguistic tools to connect on a whole new level. Language is a living, breathing entity, constantly evolving, especially in a dynamic country like Poland. While mastering grammatical rules and polite phrases is absolutely essential, true fluency, that deep sense of belonging, often comes from understanding the informal side, the slang. Think about it. When you speak with someone who effortlessly uses casual expressions, it immediately breaks down barriers, creates a sense of camaraderie, and shows genuine effort to immerse yourself in their culture. It's a sign of respect and a way to build bridges that formal language alone sometimes can't. Slang is the secret handshake of a language. It's what makes you sound natural, less like a tourist, and more like someone who truly understands the heartbeat of Polish daily life. It's not about being impolite. It's about being authentic and connecting on a more personal level, fostering relationships that go beyond superficial interactions. Let's kick things off with two foundational terms that will instantly elevate your casual interactions. Forget the stiff greetings you learned in class. When you want to simply say hey or hi to a friend or even someone your age you've just met, there's one word that reigns supreme: siema. It's incredibly versatile, friendly, and used by virtually everyone. It immediately sets a relaxed tone. Pair that with spoko, and you've got a dynamic duo for daily exchanges. Spoko is your go-to for cool, okay, or no worries. Someone asks if you're free later? Spoko. Someone apologizes for a minor inconvenience? Spoko, luzik. It's an instant mood lightener and a sign that you're laid back and easygoing. Integrating these two terms alone will make your Polish sound significantly more natural and less like you're reading from a phrasebook. Now, let's dive into expressing both the highs and lows of life with distinct Polish flair. When something is truly terrible, frustrating, or just overwhelmingly bad, you might hear Masakra. While it literally translates to something quite dramatic in everyday use, it conveys a strong sense of dismay, like, what a disaster, or this is awful. It's a common way to vent about a long queue, a difficult day at work, or an unexpected problem. On the flip side, when you want to encourage someone to relax or describe a situation that's completely stress-free, you use luz. It means chill or easy. You can tell someone wyluzuć to say chill out, or describe a relaxed atmosphere as being na luzie. These two terms show a wonderful range of emotional expression in informal settings, allowing you to connect with the shared experiences of everyday life, whether it's navigating challenges or simply enjoying tranquility. Moving on, let's talk about being productive and celebrating achievements. Ogarniam is a wonderfully practical and widely used term. It conveys the idea of getting things in order, managing tasks, or simply handling it. When someone asks what you're up to, you might respond, Ogarniam mieszkanie, I'm tidying up the apartment, or Ogarniam project, I'm sorting out the project. It's a proactive and responsible term that shows you're on top of things. And then there's Zajebiście, a term that expresses immense satisfaction and excitement. It's the Polish equivalent of awesome, fucking great, or excellent. Be aware it carries a bit of a kick, making it definitely more appropriate for very casual company and strong emotions, but it perfectly captures that feeling of absolute elation. Mastering these two will allow you to articulate both your industriousness and your enthusiasm with authentic Polish spirit. Let's continue our journey with two more terms that are both versatile and deeply embedded in informal communication. When something is genuinely cool, of excellent quality, or a fantastic deal, you'll hear "wipas." It's used to describe anything from a great new gadget to a delicious meal or an exciting event. It's an expression of genuine approval and admiration. If a friend shows you their new phone, you might exclaim, "Ale wipas!" How cool! Then we have dobra. While its literal meaning is good, in conversational Polish, it transforms into a highly functional filler word, similar to okay or all right in English. It's used to acknowledge, to agree, or to signal a transition in conversation. Dobra, idziemy? All right, shall we go? Or simply, dobra, as an affirmation. These terms add a layer of natural flow and warmth to your interactions. Rounding out our essential slang terms are two more that reflect both a state of mind and an important cognitive action. Naluzie, as we touched upon earlier, isn't just about relaxation. It embodies an entire attitude. It means easygoing, without pressure or taking it easy. When you hear someone say they're doing something naluzie, it means they're not stressed, they're approaching it calmly, or they're just enjoying the moment without any fuss. It's a wonderfully Polish way of advocating for a relaxed approach to life. And finally, kojarzyć. While its formal meaning relates to associating ideas, in slang it means to know, to remember, or to recognize someone or something. If someone mentions a person or a place, you might say kojarzę gościa, I know that guy. Or kojarzę to miejsce, I recognize that place. It's about making a mental connection and showing familiarity, a crucial aspect of building rapport. Now that you're equipped with these fantastic terms, the real magic begins. Integrating them seamlessly into your own conversations. Don't be afraid to experiment. Start by listening for them, then try using sima and spoko in your daily greetings. As you become more comfortable, weave in Masakra when something truly frustrates you, or vypas when you encounter something genuinely cool. The key is to practice, to immerse yourself, and to observe how native speakers use these words. Remember, language learning isn't just about memorizing. It's about feeling, adapting, and finding your own voice within the rhythm of the culture. These terms are your stepping stones to truly feeling at home in Poland, to connecting on a deeper, more authentic level, and to making your conversations sparkle with genuine Polish charm. So, there you have it, your essential guide to navigating the vibrant world of Polish slang. I hope this journey has opened your eyes, or rather your ears, to the incredible richness of everyday Polish. If you found this deep dive into Polish slang truly valuable and believe in the power of these insights to help you connect more authentically, please consider joining our channel membership. Your support helps us continue creating content that goes beyond the textbooks and truly unlocks the heart of the Polish language and culture. Do tego, to this. And until next time, trzymajcie się. Take care.